Hi everyone, it's me, Boxy, and welcome back to my series, Cooking with Boxy. Today, I'm so very sorry I haven't done one of these in a long time, but I'm here with Foxy, hi, and today we are making frozen pizza. So we're just going to show you how to do it. This is a frozen Red Baron pizza, and Miss MacArthur's here with us again, and she'll probably be loud as heck. And so how we do this is a frozen pizza, pepperoni from Red Baron, and we don't like pepperoni, only Adam and Justin do. And so what we do, when do we make these? Okay, so first preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And so what we do, since we don't like the pepperoni, we move all the pepperoni to the side and split it in half, so it will be half cheese, half pepperoni. So we're just gonna do that. And now we put extra cheese onto the pizza. Now, take all the cheese that's on the ends. Oh no, she's going. Okay, so we put some little garlic on the pepperoni side. This is pepperoni side, this is cheese side. Now we have to wait for the oven to heat, and okay, what do you want? Okay, so now we're gonna put the pizza in the oven. We put it in for 18 minutes. Okay, so we got our apple here. Nom 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 nom. What are you doing? Oh, Rocky, come do the ASMR. What? We have apples, and you have to eat some and do the ASMR with them. Ooh, okay. I would totally finish them.
Yeah.
10!
What is
Oh,
in your house?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! So we're done with the video. So I really hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and turn on post notifications. And I will see you in the next episode of Cooking with Boxy. Bye!